Good day, everyone. I am Johnson Autry, the CEO of E&J Natural Blends. I come your way today with an excited news and lessons on beetroot and pineapple juice. Beet pineapple juice is made up of pineapple and then beetroot. Beet pineapple is a delicious and nutritious and refreshing juice which is healthy and mostly it is pink in color. It can be consumed as part of breakfast. You can also consume it as part of dinner and also as lunch. Beetroot is called by the American British, and then it is also called as beet by the North American English. It is the taproot portion of Beta vulgaris, that is the subspecies. Also, this vulgaris plant it is in a contiva group. The plant is a root vegetable and also as the table beetroot. Most people refer to it as red beetroot and golden beetroot because of its color. Also, it is part as a leaf vegetable called the beet greens. Beetroot can be eaten as it is raw. It can also be eaten as roasted. You can also steam it and you can also boil it as well. Beetroot can also be canned as a wholly or be cut up. Now let's look at some of the history of beetroot. How did beetroot come about? The domestication of beetroot can be traced to the emergence of an allele that enables biennial harvesting of leaves and also the taproot. Beetroot was domesticated in the ancient Middle East, primarily for their greens, and were grown by the ancient Egyptians, the Greeks, and also the Romans. By the Roman era, it was thought that they were also cultivated for their roots. For the Middle Ages, beetroot was used to treat various conditions, especially illness relating to digestion and the blood. Bartholomew Platina recommended taking beetroot with garlic to nullify the effect of garlic bread. If you want to take garlic for your own prescription and you don't want the fragrance or the odor to come out for others to see, you can take it with beetroot. That is what Bartholomew Platin was talking about. During the middle of the 17th century, wine was also often colored with beetroot juice to give the color of it. Now let's look at the nutrition aspect. When you take beetroot, a raw beetroot contains 88% of water, 10% of carbohydrates, 2% of protein, and less than 1% of fat. So if you take 100 grams, that is 3.5 ounces of beetroot, it's going to provide you with 180 kilojoules, that is 43 kilocalories of food energy. So raw beetroot is a rich source of 27% of the DV, that is the daily value of folate, and a moderate source of manganese. Let's take pineapple, as we said earlier on, that beetroot and pineapple juice all mixed together. Pineapple, as having a scientific name of Ananas cosmosis, is a tropical plant with edible fruit. It is the most economically significant plant from the family of Bromelaceae, as the scientists call it. The pineapple is an indigenous to South America, where it has been cultivated for many centuries. The introduction of the pineapple plant to Europe in the 17th century made it a significant cultural icon of luxury. Since the 1820s, pineapple has been commercially grown in greenhouses and many to the tropical plantations. Pineapples grow as a small shrub. The individual flowers of the unpollinated plant fuse to form a multiple fruit. The plant normally propagates from the offset produced at the top of the fruit or from a side shoot, and typically it matures within a year. The history of pineapples. The first reference in English to the pineapple fruit was the 1568 translation from the French of André Teval's The New Found World, or Antarctique, where he refers to a hoiriri, a fruit cultivated and eaten by the Tupinamba people living near the modern Rio de Janeiro, and now believed to be a pineapple. Later in the same English translation, he describes this fruit as a nana made in the manner of a pine apple, where he used another Tupi word, nanas, meaning excellent fruit. This usage was adopted by many European languages, and it led to the plant's scientific binomial ananas, which is cosmosis, where cosmosis tufted refers to the stem of a plant. Pechas, writing in his English in 1613, referred to this pineapple fruit as ananas, but the Oxford Dictionary, in its first read of the word pineapple itself by an English writer, which was led by Mandeville in 1714. Let's look at some of the health benefits of pineapple. Pineapple is low in calories and high in vitamins and minerals. When you pick 1 cup of pineapple, the chunk of pineapple, it will deliver you with a lot of vitamins. For example, vitamin C. So you are going to get about 1/3 of your recommended daily amount of vitamin C when you take pineapple. And this helps in tissue growth and repairs. Also, we have manganese. Pineapple has more than 100% of your recommended daily amount of this essential vitamins, trace elements. Manganese actually helps with bone formation, immune response, and also metabolism. Fiber. When you pick pineapples, it contains a necessary healthy gut and a lot of fibers which help in digestion. As Zumpano says, fiber is necessary for a healthy gut and can help you stave off hunger. Vitamin B. Pineapple gives you a healthy dose of several vitamins B, including thiamine, niacin, B6, and folate. And this helps your body process a lot of energy from the food that you eat. And it is also critical to the forming new blood cells, which carries oxygen to your organ and then tissues. Various minerals. Pineapple contains several minerals that your body needs to proper functionings, which includes copper. It also includes potassium. It also includes magnesium. Also, taking pineapple promotes tissue healing. When you take pineapples, it can help you heal all the hurts and all the pains you get. Pineapple is the only food known to contain bromelain. Bromelain is an enzyme that helps your skin and tissues heal. Bromelain appears to produce substances that combat in pains and swellings. So as I discussed earlier, when you take bromelain, which is contained in pineapples, it helps all your wounds to heal faster. Consuming bromelain from pineapples also will help your skin after surgery or injury to heal. Another thing is it fights inflammation. Inflammation is a natural process that occurs in our bodies to help fight off illness. But too much of inflammation, especially as explained by Zupano, that over long periods of inflammation can lead to conditions like rheumatoid arthritis and also cancer. The anti-inflammatory power in bromelain can help fight inflammation, and it may also suppress the growth of certain tumors. Pineapple also may help with weight loss. Most weight loss experts recommend a diet rich in fruits and vegetables. If you are trying to shed pounds and trying to shed weight, if you are overweighted, if you are obese, and you want to shed some of these pounds off, you can try taking pineapples. It was researched by Zupano that there is a study on pineapple as weight loss. It helps in most of the animals. It was mostly based on animals-based scientific research. So there are a lot of research which must be taken for this particular weight loss to be. But taking pineapple can help you shed off some weight. Now let's look at how we are going to prepare beetroot juice or beet pineapple juice. The ingredients you need is 1 medium beetroot, half a medium sized pineapple, 2 large garlic, which if you want to include in it, it is optional. So the first thing you must do is you need to wash the beetroot properly and cut into small pieces. Because of its power to stain, you can decide to peel off the skin, or you can also decide to leave it and then just cut it into pieces as to your required sizes. Then you will need to peel the core and cut the pineapple into small sizes for you to be able to blend well together with the beetroot. Another step is you need to peel your ginger. If you recommended ginger as part of the juice, which I told you earlier on that it is optional, you need to peel it off and wash it thoroughly and cut into small sizes. Then you bring all these ingredients together and blend it with a blender. And then you will also sieve out the chaff after you have blended it. And then you will chill your juice up with a snack or a meal you will recommend. Note, if you have a juicer, then you don't need to hesitate to use all of these processes I use. You could just cut them off and then also you put it in the juicer. The juicer will do all the sievings. The juicer will do all the additions and the subtractions for you. Thank you and enjoy your beet pineapple juice. I am Johnson Autry once again, the CEO of E&J Natural Blends. Thank you. Have a wonderful day.